We are less than a week away from the announcement of the Huawei Mate 20 and 20 Pro on October 16, but rumors just don't seem to be slowing down. Today's one is all about prices, and it comes from a Polish tech website that got a hold of the pricing for both handsets from a local carrier. While Huawei is gearing up for its big Mate 20 reveal, we continue to receive confidential information about the upcoming flagship. Although we already know about what the Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro have to offer in terms of specs, details about pricing options were a bit scarce until recently. The first information about the Mate 20's prices popped up about a week ago when a list of prices from Swiss distributors and retailers leaked online. Today, we have new details about Huawei's flagships coming from Poland carriers, so we believe they are more accurate than the previous list. The Polish media reports at least one local carrier, Plus will offer the Huawei Mate 20 for $800, while the Mate 20 Pro will be available for purchase for $1,150. Obviously, European prices are always higher than the ones in the United States due to the various taxes, so we expect both phones to cost less there. Huawei Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro will be announced on October 16 and will probably be available for pre-order right away. However, they will not be carried by any US network operator, so you'll probably only see them on eBay, Amazon. In all the preview material for the Mate 20 launch, Huawei has been promoting it as its latest AI smartphone. This means we should see some AI specs in the camera, as well as the operating system, to prove that Huawei's new device is going to be really smart. According to the rumors, the Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro devices are going to look quite different. The Mate 20 Pro, as the bigger of the two, is expected to have a 6.39-inch AMOLED screen. By comparison, the Note 9 is 6.4 inches, so the Huawei device is going to be a very similar size. The Mate 20 is going to be a little smaller at 6.3 inches, keeping it in line with other foldable devices. Both phones will feature a notch on the front screen to house the selfie camera, though there are different reports about how big this notch is going to be. The Mate 20 is rumored to have a teardrop-style notch, whereas the Pro's notch is expected to look more like the iPhone X. It seems that there's not much mystery left in Huawei's October 16 event, as we've come across most of the key specs, features, design, and even prices of the Mate 20 Pro. The regular Mate 20, however, has remained overshadowed by its more premium sibling in more than one way, and it's only now that we finally get to see it in full. According to the source of the leak, these are the official press images of the upcoming Mate 20, and although the appearance might seem pretty similar to Mate 20 Pros, there are a few key differences. For starters, the wide notch on the Mate 20 Pro is replaced by a smaller water drop style one, as it doesn't need to house all that 3D face sensing tech the Pro model boasts. The phones are expected to have 3 camera lenses on the back of the phone, arranged in a 2x2 grid, which is unusual, giving most phones stack their cameras in a vertical format. The Mate 20 Pro could have a 40-megapixel triple rear camera and a 20-megapixel front camera, with Leica certification like the P20 Pro. Huawei has also introduced its own animojis with AI-powered 3D emojis on the Mate 20 Lite. They don't look as bad as Samsung's AR emojis, which is a good thing. We'll have to see if these are coming to the Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro, though. Inside, the phones are going to be powered by the Kirin 980, Huawei's in-house chip, which will give the phones 20% better performance and 40% better battery efficiency compared to other Huawei phones.